Ho, ho, ho.
This is the Kingdom Christmas Lights job openings for 2022.
What's going on, everybody? My name is Ron. I'm always with my beautiful wife, Laura.
Hello, everybody.
And we have something really cool to talk to you about today. That's the Kingdom Christmas Light job openings for the 2022 season. This is very exciting because we have a lot of jobs and a lot of people that we're hiring for this year. And it all starts like this. We are hiring for Christmas light installers. We'd like to start there. If you are a Christmas light installer, if you'd like to be, you can make more money than you've ever made in your life installing Christmas lights, and I want to show you how. If you're comfortable getting on roofs, you have experience getting on roofs, because installing Christmas lights, a lot of people say, oh, I'd like to do that, or you can make a lot of money, so I'd like to make that kind of money. So you have to have experience getting on roofs. You're also going to need a few other things. You're going to need your own vehicle that can carry a 24-foot ladder. You can get on the roof of a 2-story house with a 24-foot ladder minimum. So if you're driving a truck is really what you're going to need, or if you have a large SUV that can have at least a 24-foot ladder in there. You're also going to need a smartphone that you can download apps and communicate with our office. Another thing that you're going to need, you need to be able to work as early as 7 o'clock in the morning, and you need to be available for work all the way up to as late as 10 o'clock at night. Now, some people work earlier than that and some people work later than that. We want you to be available between those hours from Monday through Saturday and sometimes on Sundays. Now, for those of you who have a family and you have to be off at 5 o'clock every day, or you have responsibilities on Tuesdays and you have something else to do on Thursdays, this job is not for you. This is for someone who's dedicated for the season, that you can work 6 days a week from October 1st, and you're going to work all the way till February 1st, pretty much 6 days a week, each and every day for the whole entire Christmas season. Once again, you'll make more money than you've ever made in your life, but it's not for everybody. But if it's for you, go to kingdomchristmaslights.com, click the Contractor button at the top of the website. It's going to ask you a question. Are you a worker? Yes. And do you want to work in the Houston, Texas area? The answer to that one is also yes. You fill out the application, and then we'll look forward to meeting you on the 29th when we're having our hiring event. Now, if you're not just an installer, you are a crew leader. We are hiring crew leaders, and I'll be perfectly honest with you, we are hiring crew leaders from within our organization. Typically, this position is someone who has experience of at least one season with Kingdom Christmas Lights. We are hiring crew leaders. It comes with a company gas card, but you're also going to have to be able to speak English and Spanish, help other crews out, answer questions. When people get into a situation, they have a question, we are looking for our crew leaders to help out with those things. Run a small team of Christmas light installers. So if you think that's you, say, hey, not only do I want to be a Christmas light installer, but I think I have what it takes to be a crew leader.
Yeah.
So crew leaders, we are looking for you as well. Also, we are hiring for the warehouse. If you already know that getting on roofs is not your thing, guys and gals, this is just the thing for you. It's the same hours in some cases, but we also have part-time work available for working in the warehouse. This is your hourly position you've always been looking forward to. You know, this is not for like, hey, I'm just going to talk on the phone and text my girlfriend, text my boyfriend type of situation. This is working all the time. This is being engaged with customers and clients who are coming to our office and buying materials. This is getting materials ready in the logistical network of delivering materials to crews and contractors. This warehouse position is just what you need, and you can make really good money working at the Kingdom Christmas Lights warehouse. Also, for a warehouse worker, 2 of the warehouse workers out of the 4 people we're going to hire are going to be delivery drivers. If you want to be a delivery driver for Kingdom Christmas Lights, we also have an opportunity for you. Obviously, you're going to have your own driver's license and your own vehicle. A car would be okay, and we pay for all your fuel and all your gas and some expenses. But a delivery driver, you're going to be on the road almost 10 hours a day of driving around. So having a reliable vehicle, being able to work as early as 7 o'clock and as late as 10 o'clock at night, this is what the job entails. But if you think that you have what it takes to be a warehouse worker and or a delivery driver, go to kingdomchristmaslights.com, click the Contractor button at the top of the website and say, yes, I'm a worker and I want to work in the Houston, Texas area. Fill out our application. We'll look forward to adding you to our team. The other thing we'd like to speak to you about is we are hiring an after-school care for our children. Now, this is one of the most important hires that we are doing for the 2022 season, and Laura would like to shed a little light on what the qualifications of that position will be.
When you think after school care, you just think of babysitter or whatnot. We want an experienced caregiver, someone that has experience being with children. Our children are elementary school age. They will need help and maybe some tutoring in some of their classwork, their homework, and doing some light meals. Most of the time I have them prepared for you. Somebody that has a sound mind and is responsible. A great driving record would be perfect for me because given the mom guilt of working, the Christmas season is definitely real. Somebody that can pick up where I can't be there is really what we need. Everybody says their kids are angels. Our children are angels. They are very, very well behaved. They're very respectful. We expect respect, and respect is given back to them.
We're really looking for possibly a school teacher that has experience in teaching children, because we're trying to get our children out of public school and get them into this Christian private school that's right next door. However, the Christian private school, their curriculum is a lot higher than the public school. So if our kids are going to stay in the same grade level, they need to increase their test scores so they can get into that same grade of the private school. So guys, if you're a teacher or you're really well working with kids and that's your passion, we're looking to speak with you. Once again, go to kingdomchristmaslights.com, and the same as we told everyone else, click on the Contractor button, say that yes, you're a worker and you're in the Houston, Texas area, and on the application say that you are looking for the after school care. And this is not an entry-level pay position. This is well compensated because we're looking for the right person.
Yes.
Now, we are looking for a housekeeper. Now, a housekeeper, this is at least one time a week. Laura keeps a very clean house. She's the type of person that will clean the house before the person comes to clean the house. Our house is that clean. But most of the time during Christmas, you have to pick one or the other. So that's why we'd like to keep a clean house. And if you think that you have what it takes to go above and beyond in helping us take care of the house and the office and cleaning at least once a week, possibly twice a week, go to kingdomchristmaslights.com and
click the Contractor tab.
Fill out the application and let's do it. Right. And then last but not least, one of the best jobs at Kingdom Christmas Lights. If you're still listening to us, I thank you for listening to this job posting video. But the best job at Kingdom Christmas Lights, as I was a kid, the opportunity to go to the North Pole. I mean, this is something that every kid dreams of. And now that I'm adult, to actually work at the North Pole is literally a dream come true. And the position that I'm about to tell you about is literally a dream come true. You get to work at the North Pole and work directly for Santa Claus. Now, I'm sure there's other jobs at the North Pole, like feeding the reindeer and, you know, managing Miss Claus' cookie oven or something.
Oh, I need one of those.
I know. But this position right here is working directly for Santa Claus himself, being the personal assistant, even ahead of all the head elves. You actually work directly with Santa Claus at the North Pole. That's what this position is. It's my personal assistant, and I am hiring for that right now. So if you think you have what it takes and you'd like to be in this dream position, go to kingdomchristmaslights.com, click on the Contractor button. There is going to be some heavy lifting involved here. There may be some Christmas light installation involved here. There may be some delivery things here. There may be working in the warehouse here. But the greatest thing is you get to work directly with Santa Claus each and every day. I don't think there is a position available in the next couple months where you'll learn more than you'll learn right now.
Ho, ho, ho.
Go to kingdomchristmaslights.com, click on the Contractor button, say you're a worker, say you're in Houston, fill out the application. I'd love to speak with you and talk with you more about that.
Yeah.
And as an afterthought, as we're closing, we are hiring right now interns, college interns from Texas A&M. If you went to Texas A&M or if you're going to Texas A&M, you have a great grade point average and you're in the film and production field. We have 4 people. Right now we have 2, but we need 4 more people in the film and production field. You will be in video editing class. You will be following Christmas contractors around and documenting with video, going to these actual Santa Claus signature series events that we're doing. And we're going to be capturing and editing film and production right here at the Kingdom Christmas Lights headquarters in Plantersville, Texas. So if you think this is you, Texas A&M does have a link that you can become an intern for Kingdom Christmas Lights for the 2022 season. But everyone, we hope that you have a Merry Christmas. This does not just happen overnight. It's been months and months and years of planning to get to this point. We are looking to welcome you to the Kingdom Christmas Lights team. And once again, my name is Ron. I'm always with my beautiful wife, Laura.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
And we'll see you soon. Get busy!